It's not just smoking hot, this is spicy hot. A sour, salty, spicy, stir-fried pork. Hey guys, it's a glorious day here in London. Welcome back to Wok Wednesday. I'm Jeremy from School of Wok, London's premier Asian cookery school. Let's get wokking. We're going kinda a combination of different flavors. Gonna marinate my pork mince in a second, but we're gonna start with your base, onion, and some Chinese leaf. So it's essentially a very quick, let's say humble stir fry. I'm gonna stir fry the onion in with the pork mince, so diced onion works well for this. And this is the type of cooking my dad used to do, you know, for a quick and easy meal with some steamed rice on the side. Chinese leaf. Something I wasn't really that keen on when I was a kid, because we used to have it quite a lot, and sometimes you get, you know, we sort of braise Chinese leaf into lionhead meatball dishes and things like that. And I never liked the sort of overcooked veg feeling, although I can appreciate it more now. But in this dish, you want to keep this Chinese leaf or cabbage, anything like that, really nice and crunchy, flash fried. Garlic, just roughly chopped. And that can go in with your onion. And then we're just going to mix up a few sauces before I get this stir fry going. And this is really, you know, cheap and quick cooking. I've got some sesame paste here. You could use peanut butter, any sort of nut butter will do. Some light soy sauce, a little bit of rice vinegar for that tartness. And just take your time to mix that sesame paste in to the sauces. Get the oils from the sesame seeds that at the beginning will look like they're never going to homogenize with the rest of the sauce. If you just keep gently mixing it together, then you will get there. Got some tabasco here for a kick of heat and a bit of sour to sort of interact with the rice vinegar. Try to keep the sauce in your bowl if you can. I mean, if I'm not making mess, then what's the point, right? Some sugar. Just to balance out the salty sour, and that will sort of melt into the stir fry as we go. And then all I've got to do is marinate the meat. I've kept some chow chili oil aside from the sauce so that I can put it in just at the end. And to go with that spiciness, I've got some gochugaru here, the Korean chili flakes, some sesame oil, and a pinch of black pepper. That a good mix too. So I've got my onion and garlic base, my minced pork, my veg, and my sauce with the chili oil. I've also got a little pot of water here, just in case I need to thin it out a little. This hob's pretty quick stuff. So we're gonna go straight in, and I've got kind of like a mini wok clock of ingredients here ready to go. Smoking hot wok, onions and garlic in. Just want to cook out the sort of hotness or the heat of the onions, but I don't mind it on a high heat here. I don't want it to sort of, I'm not sweating the onions down or anything. And then push them to the back, a little bit of extra oil, and then my lightly spiced marinated pork in there. I don't want those onions to burn, so I'm going to bring those over the top of the pork before I start chopping into the pork. High heat all the way for this stir fry. You should be able to maneuver your ingredients with your spatula and not have to worry about burning. But you want a nice seal of the pork each time you turn it and fold it. You also get a nice, lovely sort of speckles of colour of red from the Korean chili powder. Only once your pork is cooked through would I recommend flicking the wok. Then that pork separates out nicely, see. I'm going to remove this cooked minced pork just to make space for my Chinese leaf or cabbage. Now it's had that initial stir fry, I have some residual flavour from that marinated pork in the wok. Still on a high heat, and as I say, we're going for nice crunchy flash fried Chinese leaf in this. So it's not going to take long at all from here. Nice and quick going. Okay, now once that Chinese leaf is sort of covering the base of the wok, then my pork mince can come back in. And I'm not moving the wok around much at all right now. So I want to get this sesame paste mix or sauce into the wok. And I'm going to go for a flick through with this, a quick wok toss. Back down on the heat, let it come to heat again. Chili oil goes in next, mainly so I don't choke myself up. But a little bit of water around the edge of the wok to create some sauce. Flick that through. Smells amazing. But remember, I don't want to lose the crunch of this veg, so I'm going to serve this up straight away. You can hear that bubbling off the edge of that wok. Quick wok cooking, my spicy, hot and sour stir fry. Easy cooking, but packed full of flavour. If you like this type of recipe, you want to learn more, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ding, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you for more stir fries later.